Lights flicker, walls breathe. No name stepping out with fire on his teeth. Yeah, non-encoder in the zone with the cosmic drip. Mind sharp like a blade that refuses to slip. City blocks in his chest where the echoes flip.
Hey guys, we are live now. Shout out to everybody showing up. What's up, yo? You know, just started this model running again. Sorry I had to stop it, EJ. I realized that I'd screwed something up, and if I didn't fix it, all of this was going to be stupid and wasteful. So I fixed it. Yeah. I made one mistake. I'm just glad I recognized it before we were 9 runs in. Yeah. Like Saturday when we were about done.
He moves like smoke through the neon rain. Carries old weight in a diamond chain. Every step forward breaks the chain.
Yeah.
Every line spit rewrites his pain. He knows the grind from the underside, where dreams collapse and people hide. He learned to walk with a different stride.
All right, so this one, this one's better. I already see it. I dig this song, Chris. Thank you.
Yeah, he did. I was about to answer you twice as I was listening to the YouTube.
Single hearts crushed by the weight of luck. Felt the silence when the nights turn rough. Learn to stand
Oh, you see that? How bad that is, EJ?
He carries that truth with the cosmic twist.
It started out at 3 on our class loss, and under 1 for our box and our defocus loss, and it climbed to like 6 and above 1 for each. But it's completely different on this E-Rock, so that's a good sign. Right? It's crazy that I'm able to like now look at this output and kind of understand what's going on inside of the model.
Crazy.
That's bad though.
He is built from grit and electric rays, a street made soul with the cosmic face. Acid rock sparks in the inner space, and he walks like he owns every inch of his place.
See this one. Yeah, and look at our map though, in our precision and recall.
He walks with thunder everywhere he goes.
Anybody got a supply?
Lights flicker, walls breathe, no name stepping out.
It learned quite a bit in this one. Learned quite a bit on that one. So we'll see what it learns on this one. It should be a bit.
Where people drift, he digs in. Where crowds waste hours, he begins. No name coder, locked on the climb, turning empty.
It's doing really bad right now.
He finds code in the
You know what that means though? It's got a really good place. It's got a really good place to learn from. When it just starts out really stupid. Most chase comfort while they fall behind. He builds strength in
in the shadows with a focused mind. He takes doubt and snaps it like a brittle line. He pushes forward with intent by design. He finds code where they find time. He builds growth while they decline. Mind locked in, purpose refined. No name coder, one of a kind. He turns late night silence into power stacked high. When the world nods off, he amplifies.
Wanna see this dope ass shirt?
He reads patterns in the chaos others never see. He turns straight thoughts into strategy. He sees choices in the
Constitutional
moments
freedom
everyone forgets. He turns seconds into steps with no regrets. He builds skill from the grind the most ignore. Now he stands stronger than he ever did before. Finds code where they find time. He builds growth while they decline. Mind locked in, purpose refined. No name coder,
Right.
one of a kind.
That's because my camera.
That's what they...
He takes noise and strips it down to truth. Turns rough edges into living proof. He sees room to improve when the rest sits
Hey,
still.
Keeler.
He transforms pressure with a sharpened
What's
wit.
up, yeah?
He breaks limits like they never existed. Keep focused tight and his purpose persistent. Where most drift off a fall behind, he turns minutes into mastery by design. When the noise fades out and the clock slows down, that is where he works. That is
The
where
map's
he
coming up a little bit.
He finds code where they find time. He builds growth while they decline. My locked in, purpose verified. No name coder, one of
Had a good place to start
every
from.
second they waste
Yeah.
turns into fuel.
It's been way better though.
He sharpens the tool. No name coder, beyond defined. Built from time by his own design.
I think that might actually be a good sign there.
Where people drift, he digs in. Where crowds waste hours, he begins. No name coder, locked on the climb, turning empty moments into sharpened design. He finds code in the cracks where the lost hours hide. While
I think it's gonna turn out to be a good
he builds drive.
test
He
this time,
moves
EJ.
quiet in the night when the noise grows
And the first model that I piped out wasn't bad, right? But the class loss wasn't great. This is already, no, this is close to where it was. This has got a ways to go to beat it. The one we had that I had to restart, it beat it, and it was only on like 5 or 6 runs.
No name coder, one of a kind. He turns late night
But I did set it up to kind of be deterministic, so when those parameters reemerge, it should work out for us.
Others never see. Turn straight thoughts into strategy. He sees choices in the moments everyone
We'll see which one works
forgets. He
out better.
turns seconds into steps with no regrets. He builds skill from the grind the most ignore. Now he stands stronger than he ever did before. Finds code where they find time. He builds growth while they decline. Mind locked in, purpose
I turned it up to
refined.
96 for the back size.
No name coder, one of a kind.
Yeah, my desktop computer only has 10 gigs of video.
Mine has 16, but that's because it's shared.
He takes noise and strips it down to truth. Turns rough edges into living proof.
Goddamn.
He sees room
Laptop
to improve
GPUs.
when the rest sits still.
So what I'm hearing is if
Transforms
I take what's in
pressure with
yours
a
and what's in
sharpened
EJ's
wit. He breaks limits like they
together,
never
I'd still be
existed.
using more.
Keep focused
Hey,
tight
Garvin,
and his
it's good to see you,
purpose
bro.
persistent.
what I've heard.
Most drift off a fall behind. He turns minutes into mastery.
That's exactly what I just heard.
Noise fades
Right.
out.
Remember, I went to public
And the
school, so
clock
my math
slows
don't
down. That is where he works.
I kind of went to public school.
That is where he crowns. He
Fuzzy
finds
math.
gold where they find time.
Just numbers.
Builds growth while they decline. My locked in,
Partially about same, but different.
Different, but same.
one of a kind.
There you go.
Right.
It's different, but same.
Every quiet moment, he sharpens the tool.
Really good, Bob. You're getting to see some of the, not really database activity, but the kind of the AI stuff that's powering some parts of the data gathering operation. It's being built right now. We've been doing some stuff this week.
Some stuff in front of the scenes and stuff behind the scenes.
Yeah, we've been doing some stuff,
And we did some other stuff.
and then some more stuff, and then a few things.
Yes, of course we did a few things.
Yeah, with our stuff.
It wouldn't be normal things. Alrighty. You know what's crazy?
What's that?
What's really crazy? I only have one computer on my desktop.
Uh-oh.
The lights bend,
One physical
yeah,
computer.
every thought moves.
Hey, Bob. It's
like
good to see you,
liquid
man.
wrong. He steps forward into the unknown. Only walking through a field of sound.
Almost back to looking it
Every
up.
footstep lifts off the ground.
Yeah, the database is
Ideas
kicking. This
flow
is,
in a circle around.
remember the
Grabs
camera that I
one
showed
whip
off in
and
Florida?
lays it down. He has climbed out
Bob, this
storms
is
that
the
once
algorithm
held
that's
tight.
powering that
Turned
kind of
his
camera
shadows into
technology.
guiding light.
By the way, we did make them small enough you can fit them in your pocket. If you want to go and check them out, you can check out thepolicerecord.com/alert.
Sound.thepolicerecord.com/alert.
Yep. Yeah, you can check out our whole shop on shop.thepolicerecord.com. We got a couple little bits of merch and our camera. Yeah.
He sees the world like a swirling map. Every moment sinking to a cosmic tap.
That's not really helpful,
He
Bob.
takes a
I was
breath,
the one with the
attention
beard.
snap, then flows forward with a clean mind rap. Then the noise fades in a gentle sweep.
Now, wait a minute.
Wounds quiet in a restful sleep.
It is good. It is.
Journey
Actually has a
rises
beard.
from the water
It is. I do think I remember you though, Bob.
So.
Oh, my bad.
What's up,
Rock
Rockport?
Rockport. One of those. You know what I'm talking about.
The longest beard. Okay. That is a lot more helpful.
Okay, the longest. How long is long? Is that like gut level? Below
Like a
balls?
soft lit path made of polished stone. Every lesson taught him how to steer.
Sorry,
I made Fantasia, so I couldn't tell you.
Crystal clear, with a voice the world can finally hear.
Floating lines in open space.
Mine don't even get to my
slow
heart.
beats,
Right.
such
Actually, that's a lie, it does.
fancy ships he finds,
My strands, my
a brighter place.
flyaways.
Now he stands where the colors rise, bright reflections in open skies. He holds truth that never lies, grows stronger.
Says y'all talked for an hour on the
silence
floor.
ties. He shapes his world from the inside out. A steady voice that knows no doubt. Every whisper becomes a shout. Every dream takes its chosen route. My walker drifting,
Wow. I've got
colors
actual
unfold on all make
That's nice.
crazy.
moving brave and bold. Patterns
Let's see
ripple.
if my computer actually.
Stories
Yeah, the database is going really legit.
Visions of gold.
It's
The
it's
past
growing in leaps and bounds, and we're hoping to have soon
flows, no name for
the stuff we're doing now plugged in,
right away.
so we can have it all cooperating, and that this will kind of be feeding that, that'll kind of be feeding this. You know, all kind of cool stuff will go on.
That way, when we identify here, you can
Right.
get that information over there.
That's nice to see. Although I still question how I got you, Bob. So I'm having to question how it is getting close. It is already beating the best class loss on the last 10 runs. Right, on run 13. Our class loss is already better. So I'm pretty satisfied with that game. It's pretty weird talking about gains and losses. You know?
I'm not actually talking about financial gains and losses.
Yeah. Well, I'm talking about like gains of losses. You know?
Dude, we don't want gains of losses, right? I'm just kidding.
Well, I mean,
That sounds counterproductive, I mean. Yeah.
right? Hey, Bob. So, who was your? Let me. Did you get a bunch of these, or did you get any of these? I managed to collect quite a few. Let me do this. John Felix. I believe that's the solo yacker, ain't it? Yeah. Right, it's crispy. Potion the good. There's Johnny from First Amendment Protection Agency. No, there's Johnny from the First Amendment Protection Agency. Who was this though? Oh, that was Zach. There's Zach, Liberty Troll, and then Johnny from the First Amendment Protection Agency. And then we're back to John Felix.
Learning kingdom on a throne of compute. He maps every path from the roots to the roof. Intense like a mystic in pursuit of a truth made of digits that no one can refute. Every challenge ahead.
That's funny.
Fueled by the cosmic eternal Nvidia tit. He goes till the night and he never will quit. Carving out billions from the infinite pit.
I'm gonna do this and a little bit of this.
No name colder. He's crowned in the data ring. Let the network spin. Let the wild mat spin. He drinks from the power.
So I guess technically we've been beating it since 12. And we're about to have 15. Let me actually pull up the full table of metrics so you guys can see. This is from last time. And here was our class loss at the end. Notice our defocusing loss was better. And so was our box loss for the final run, but it only made it through 40 epochs. So.
Shepherd Cam, that's funny.
Right? That's what I thought. Nice.
Since we're watching the flock.
Yeah.
That's a good fucking
Man, I'm a little jealous I didn't get a fucking I am free. That makes me a little sad. I didn't get to get them all, but I collected a few. I was lucky John Felix let me snag a couple of extra ones on the way out the door as me and EJ were cleaning up our stuff. So I'm gonna pull up the other one too from 5, because that one had a pretty good map score.
He is crowned in the data ring. Let the network spin. Let the wild mat spin. He drinks from the power. And
and the future pours.
Cue the flames dancing on the floor of his mind.
Here's that
Memory
around.
block shifting like a labyrinth.
Like, I don't even want to say the number, but it was 6-7. So, I'm gonna kill this one. What's this on here? We're gonna do a little bit of this. Maybe it go. Maybe it's playing. I don't know. No. Maybe it's playing now. Who knows? I can't really hear it. I don't hear anything anymore, Chris. Nobody. I don't hear another signal.
I'm back, but
I
I'm
do
not.
hear it. And now I hear all the other audio too. I don't know what happened. That's good stuff though. No, I told when we were picking up, John had picked up some of our cameras and stuff and set them up in the back. And when we were leaving, he's like, "Hey, do you guys want these?" And we're like, "Oh yeah, we're just looking for those." And he's like, "Well, why don't you come on back and pack up the rest of your stuff that we picked up and whatnot?" And I was back there and I saw those cards, and I'm a big fan myself. And I was like, "Hey, what are you gonna do with the rest of those there, John Felix?" And he's like, "Well," and then I convinced him to part with a couple. He knows I'm a pretty big fan, so. So, with that being said, we're gonna shrink this just a little bit. That wasn't what I intended at all. I'll get my life together one of these days. What we're up against. And it says song's still playing. How do you get an auto set up? So to get an auto set up, you're gonna have to spend a bit of money at the police record shop. You're gonna have to get in contact with Friends and Code.
Information at info@thepolicerecord.com.
Right, you can reach out at info@policerecord.com. I think they heard you, EJ. So and that stuff kind of ties into our stuff on like the lowest or highest level. Depends on which way you look at it, I guess. Yeah, it's looking better. Let me pull these two up again.
Authority alert only from the police record.
So I stop this song. That gets old fast. We'll start this one. See, we're already smoking the class loss on each one of those, EJ, by a significant margin. And we're approaching the box loss.
Seems like the magic tricks have worked.
Yeah, there have been a few tweaks here and there, you know, looking at what we got from the outputs of the last ones. So this might be what does it. Then the last one that pushed out here at trial number 1, right? It actually performed not terribly. It didn't perform good, right? It didn't perform well, but it didn't perform terribly. And this one's already looking to be sizing it up. I like that jumping man.
You know what sucks?
What's up, Al?
You got a wireless Logitech keyboard and mouse,
Yep, yep.
and you have so many Logitech wireless and keyboard and mice that you have an ungodly amount of the receivers, right?
Dongles everywhere.
They have a unifying receiver where if you buy
I
those
do?
devices that you can share them all. Yeah, if it has little arms.
Yeah,
on it,
I
you can share 'em all
have like
with-
a handful of those.
Yeah, you.
That's not the problem.
You can use the software to connect them all to one receiver.
Yeah, but that's not the problem. The problem is my handful has disappeared. That's the problem.
Right?
I've got the keyboard and the mouse.
No dongle.
I'm fucking done.
Hey, lady. Hey, Lady J. It's good to see you, yo.
What up, Lady J?
So this is
Great coverage the other night.
this is some of the deep stuff, like inside the deep learning that powers the police record.
This is the nerd shit that gets us to show you the cool shit.
Yeah, this is like the data science side of it. Like this is where we feed our big computer a whole bunch of electricity
Num, 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 num.
and pictures and text and say, learn, baby, learn.
And when you're done thinking that you're learning, guess what you're gonna do? You're gonna go learn again.
Learn some more, baby.
That's a Bluetooth dongle.
Now the boom bap hits with the lightning crack. No name standing strong and never stepping back.
Let me add one of these new songs in here. Guys, forgive me if I'm missing for a second. I'm navigating through stuff. Music. I don't think I have this one.
Set them damn things down somewhere. Thought I wouldn't lose them, right?
Right?
Guess what?
No.
Wouldn't say permanent loss. That was what I was hoping to learn. Well, that's just no way.
What?
Where sound and shadow braid once more.
Hey, EJ, you notice that there's a lot less CPU utilization this time?
Every breath unveils a mythic chord. The sky above it begins to
Yeah.
It's because of that.
Magic you doing that?
That's cache, baby.
Mm.
He feels the vibrant
Because it doesn't have to constantly be using the CPU to load everything.
It says it's now not deterministic.
let the vibe
Yeah, because it's cached to RAM instead of disk.
Oh, I don't get. Yeah, I don't get about that.
Yeah. That just means that nothing is specifically reproducible, right? Like starting with the same parameters isn't necessarily going to give you exactly the same result. I set it up to be
but
as
the
deterministic.
But the hypertuner doesn't, or they still make it not deterministic, I assume.
Yeah, because everything's going to be tuned differently because it
Yeah.
has like a suggestion that it gets for certain parameters. But each one of those is output to something that we can use to retune it that same way. You know what I'm saying? Each set of hyperparameters that it's set to tune with is output with the model. So we can input those same hyperparameters specifically instead of letting the tuner do it. You know what I'm saying? When we find a good match and set.
Okay.
Soft reflections ripple wide, as if the world has turned inside. He feels the pulse become his guide.
So after it tries this time, right, it's going to make the backward pass, right? And that backward pass, which we're going to see now, is going to determine all of these metrics and all the validation, right? Then that backward pass is going to propagate what it learned from 26 to the beginning of 27.
That sounds nerdy.
Well, if it weren't for that, the learning of deep learning wouldn't really be so much a thing.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
Sounds like that's important then.
you could still do some stuff, but that ability
as
to
much.
back propagate data through the network it's really important for several features of modern neural nets. There's some such thing, you know. Guess I could break out the book and read the textbook definition to everybody if they wanted to. I literally have a couple of books up on my bookshelf. Because, you know, fucking nerd. But
Why didn't this light come on?
I don't really think that's the thing to do. I think I'd rather show you guys than tell you guys. So keep watching. You might not see anything more than this for tonight. But maybe this weekend we'll get something done with it. This one's already doing better than the last one. Except for that part. Just edging closer. So, guys, stay tuned.